Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Davey, and I know it's been a little while since I posted anything. In case you guys can't tell, I'm somewhere different now. I've moved about 2 hours away, so that's why it's taken me a while to get things back up and going. But we're back, and today we are talking about a topic that we can't talk enough about, really. We're going to talk about AI. We're going to talk about how you guys can leverage it in your digital marketing efforts, maybe some tools that you should be using, some approaches that you should be using, and honestly, how to stay ahead of AI. Every single day, there are 1,000 new AI tools that come out. There are 1,000 new advancements. How can you stay at the forefront of all of those new tools that are coming out? Today, we're going to talk about that. So sit back, get out your notepad, get out your pen, and let's talk about AI. So first off, let's talk about how you can use AI to power your content creation. And there are really two tools that I want to touch on. The first one is a tool that everyone knows about, even your uncle who lives way out in the woods, who knows nothing about AI, knows about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the one that really put AI at the forefront of everyone's mind. Everyone knows about it. They just launched GPT-4. There's a lot of new advancements coming with that. So everyone knows about ChatGPT. But the second one that a lot of people don't know about is Jasper. Jasper has been around for longer than GPT. Jasper has been doing this for a while now, and they're just now starting to get the notoriety that they probably really deserve. Now, GPT and Jasper can be used for two really distinct things. First off, they're both extremely user-friendly, okay? I use both of them. They're both user-friendly. It doesn't take a ton of know-how to be able to just jump right in and start operating them. The biggest thing that brands, content creators, everyone is using these two for specifically is brand voice, okay? These two help you tweak your brand voice. They can help make that voice produce engaging content that resonates with your audiences, that resonates with people who are visiting your website, visiting your blogs. These two really work on overall voice and the power of that voice. Now, using these programs to help you with things like that, not only does it save a ton of time, which everybody loves about AI, we all love saving time, but one big thing that it does is it creates that consistent flow of fresh content. Gone are the days when we are just scratching our heads, trying to write a new blog post or social media post. We've said the same thing over and over again. Now with the help of AI, we can keep it fresh. And I think some people are scared about that, but a lot of people are using AI to benefit their content creation and take it to the next level. Now, you still have to be an expert on the subject matter to make it good, right? If it really is going to make sense and be relevant to your audience, you have to know what you're talking about. But just the framework of a blog post can be done in a fraction of time now. So right now, I'm going to put an example on the screen of me using ChatGPT to create a blog explaining AI to the audience of 75 to 85-year-old Americans. Now, this could be a tough audience to explain AI to. I myself wouldn't know exactly where to start. There's a bit of an age gap there, but luckily GPT is going to take this knowledge and word it in a way that they can understand. This is part of the beauty of using an AI-powered chat tool like GPT or Jasper. The information is coherent, it's informative, and with a topic like this, where we know good enough about, we can use this to create the framework for this blog post, and then go in, put our own personal touch on it, tweak it, and have it ready to go. Now, next, let's discuss personalization. Now, AI, man, it allows for a level of personalization that previously we didn't even think about, right? We had all of these things up on the wall that we wanted to do. We would love to be able to do these things, but it's just not possible. Number one, you don't have the bandwidth, and two, how would you even start? With tools like GPT and Jasper now, you can do this, okay? You can analyze customer data, and AI can help you tailor your marketing efforts to individual preferences and behaviors of all different groups now. Tools like dynamic yield and segmenting can help you segment your audience and deliver personalized content, which is great. But also, number two, a huge one, personalized offers. Okay. Now you can deliver that exact offer that someone needs based on their behavior and what you have seen them do on a blog or a website or on social media. Tools like GPT, Jasper, they can help you do this, okay? This is going to mean higher engagement, obviously, because the message is resonating with them a lot more than before, and conversion rates going to go through the roof, hopefully. Now, there are several examples of brands using personalization and AI in a way that is super effective. I would just suggest you Google them. Check out some on LinkedIn, and there are thousands of examples. I encourage you to check them out. Now, here's one of my favorite examples. 4 years ago, you could send someone a marketing email and just include their first name in the subject line, and that would produce an open because it felt personal. That does not happen anymore, okay? Gone are those days. Now I get emails every single day that says, Davey, look at this. Davey, this is for you. An offer just for Davey. I don't like seeing it anymore. It makes me sick now. It does not work. But what does work, how about you speak to their profession? Telling someone that this is just for them in their profession. Say you're a mechanic, right? And you want to understand what people are asking these days about cars. Just everyday folks, what are they asking about cars? The maintenance, what is the most important questions? What if you get an email in your inbox that says the 7 important trends that mechanics must know? If you're a mechanic, you're going to open that, right? Because it's just for you. It's speaking to your profession, which is super important. We can do things like that today with the help of different CRMs like HubSpot, which I personally love. I'm a HubSpot evangelist. Everyone knows it. But you can use tools like that to send those personalized messages now. Now, let's talk about one more tip before we get into looking to the great beyond, okay? Actually, 2 more. Number 1, let's talk about data analysis and insights that AI can provide from that. Now, AI excels at data analysis because it is a program. It is a machine. It can process vast amounts of data to provide actionable insights that can refine your marketing strategy. One example that I'm going to use for this is Jay Schwedelson. They took a ton of subject lines. I don't know how many. Let's just say 1 billion subject lines, right? That they have A/B tested, okay? And they asked ChatGPT to predict the winner just based off the subject line. This number could be completely made up, but I want to say he said 80% of the time, ChatGPT predicted the winner. That's huge. Are you kidding me? Now we can predict the winner of an A/B test before even running the test. That is something that is going to be huge. Tools like HubSpot, they're coming out with new AI things every single day. You can use these things to predict future behavior, okay? And before we get into future trends in AI, let's talk about one that is just big for everybody about how AI can automate repetitive tasks. Who hates repetitive tasks? Me, can't stand them. You do these menial tasks that just have to be done. Automation is a significant benefit of AI, okay? It can handle repetitive tasks. Think about things like just sending regular emails, ad placements, customer service. Now, I know that may sound scary, but automated customer service can do amazing things if you do it the right way. Tools like MailChimp, Adspresso, they automate campaigns. They free up your time for bigger picture things, right? Think The Office. Whenever they separated manager of the Scranton branch into 2 things, right? Jim was day-to-day, Michael was big picture. Think about it like that. Jim is the AI. He's handling all the day-to-day tasks. Michael Scott, big picture thinking, okay? That's what AI can do for you. So now let's talk about the future, okay? Not SpongeBob curled up in a ball or Squidward curled up in a ball singing future over and over again. Let's look at future trends. Now, it's hard to predict sometimes with AI because, again, it evolves every single second. Some of the things that I said may not be true 5 minutes from now. It's constantly evolving. You have to keep an eye on those trends. I'll link down below some blogs, some websites that I look at to keep me up to date with AI, because it's important we stay at the forefront of these things. Another reason, or another way you could stay at the forefront of AI things, follow me on LinkedIn, okay? I'm going to post all these AI advancements that I come across on my own LinkedIn page, so follow me there, and I will try to keep you up to date with all of that. So, that is my entire spiel. If you made it through this video, wow. Maybe you're asleep or on some type of medication where you're just sitting there and you're not paying attention, because if you made it through the entire thing, thank you so much, first off, for watching it. And I hope you enjoyed it, right? I hope it gave you some type of value. Again, follow me on all social medias. They're linked down below. If you're not incorporating AI into your digital marketing strategy, start, because we don't want to be too far behind on this stuff. All of the benefits that AI can give you, you're going to want to jump on that train before it gets too far out of the station. I like that. I'll probably use that again. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that jazz. You know what to do. I'm going to be posting more videos and more content on LinkedIn, on TikTok, on all of those platforms. Is TikTok still around? Do we still have it in the US, or is it gonzo by now? I'm not sure. Anyways, if you're watching this on YouTube, hit the bell so you're notified whenever I post new stuff. I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching this. Have a great day.